All right, what if we had two fractions? Let's say we had 20 over 3 equals 10 over 9x. Oh boy, this is going to be very different. Well, I can work any side I want, but but I want to make sure I get rid of the denominator so I can just deal with whole numbers, whole integers. So what I'm going to do is multiply by 3 to one side. Why? Because 3 times over 3, 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. And 1 times 20 is 20. But wait a minute. If I multiply 3 to one side, that means my equation is going to be unbalanced and it's going to look like this. So what do I need to do? I need to balance it by multiplying 3 to the other side. And when I do that, my equation is going to be balanced. So if I multiply 3 to the other side, it's 3 over 1, because 3 divided by 1 is 3. 10 times 3 is 30. Just don't forget the x. And 9 times 1 gives me 9. So the x follows. We don't know what that number is. So we need to keep it with us. Okay? Next, we want to get rid of the 9 in the denominator. So what are we going to do? We're going to multiply by 9. And once again, if I multiply by 9, my balancing equation is going to tilt to the other side because it's heavier, because I multiply by 9. So what do I need to do? I also need to multiply by 9 on the other side in order for my equation to be balanced. And when I do that, 9 divided by 9 gives me 1. 1 times 30x is just 30x, because anything times 1 gives you the number itself. And 9 times 20 would give me 180, because 9 times 2 is 18, and you just add a 0. All right, now I want to do the math. Well, I have 30 times x, and if I want to find my x value, I just have to divide by 30. Because I'm multiplying by 30, I'm going to divide by 30. And when I divide by 30, I will find what x is. Why? Because 30 divided by 30 gives me 1. 1 times x is just x. And if I write it this way, it's the same thing. 180 divided by 30, well, 18 divided by 3 is 6. With the 0 and zeros, so that will just give me x equals 6. Pretty cool, right?